Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on backup and restore, and as you can see here we've got a whole Google backup section. Of course, if you will have the Google account added to your device, you will be able to pick it from the list. If not, you have to do it right now. So let's tap on backup account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill everything after the @ symbol. Alright, so here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Alright, so we can decide whether we want to back up the contacts. So let's tap on turn on backup. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let me tap on accept because we should have another section with the information. It is much more pretty. So here we are able to use 15 gigabytes of the backup account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So simply tap on turn on. And as you can see, we've got our account added to this section, which simply means that your device will right now back up the data on it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.